Good day. Next time I'm about go. Today it's going to be a very special episode. No? I'm going to meet up with an entrepreneur from Thohoyandou here on the people, Prackie. I met with her on Facebook and she's been a friend of mine since a couple of years back then. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to ask you a few questions. I'm going to travel around town and then, you know the drill, most. So, guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this interview. Let's get it. So, we are doing a quick view interview now, Prackie. So, this is Prackie. For those who know Prackie, say hi, Prackie.
Hi, guys.
So, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
So, who is Prackie and what sons in Prackie?
Prackie.
Stop smiling. Come here. Come here.
Okay, sharp. Prackie ni mzana no Thohoyandou Block F.
Yeah.
Richard Block P West. Ajina shukoro Thohoyandou High na Azufari Secondary. Zino udzila chikudini. Yeah. She's a mother of 2 girls.
Like your children.
Prackie single. She's single.
Yes, a businesswoman. So,
yes.
Prackie, what do you do each and every day?
Okay. Ndishuma Holad. Insurance, but ngatungo ndi director futhi nadwana CEO.
Yeah.
Director ya company yanga yona SkinGlo skincare. Yeah, SkinGlo skincare.
Yeah.
Vari kurengesa mapfura odinakisa abantu vanokonyongotsuka oita a lot of things mara ndilanga mandesanga skin, yes. And then ndadwa futhi ndava CEO ya company yanga yona ndi Rome Holdings. Yes. Yeah, ine idilana sizothe zinjizophamana nawo.
Okay, so you're about SkinGlo and skincare. Ne? So, okay, company, you only deal with lotions or kind of products for women or also men?
The products in that zirengisa ndiza unisex. Vana na vafumakazi vazishumisa, vakeguru na vakala vazishumisa. So, yeah.
So one thing I said, Prackie, hook me up. I know I want to be a little bit lighter and they want to be yellow bone tendencies.
I can hook you up any day, anytime.
So what are the challenges of being your own boss or being a CEO your company? What are the challenges that you face each and every day?
Workload. Mishuma ukhodala isanga mandesa wana umthumthi sayisenza thumothula bathu. Company still growing, yes. Workload na wana ngapha ndikutodiwa Prackie khotoda so gaga yirikhoda bulk gaga and ukhoto zita zothe ngachipinga chithi yezo zithu. So workload and you're in a challenge yanga at this moment. Apart from that, everything is pashash, everything is good, yes.
Okay, so your clients mostly is it from hand to silk and you do all those wholesale bulk mini again or you just focus on certain clients?
No, not certain clients. Rena online shop. And then again 40 bathu vanda varengisela ndivangana vanga va Facebook. I mean, yeah. Loka. On a business mumbo wa loka. But just the way that, yeah.
So, what is the easiest way to get your SkinGlo products or SkinGlo care? Like if someone wants them.
No, bari foinera ka 081 870-1595 081-870-1595. Ndio foinera ndia WhatsApp and then 40 rione ka Facebook the SkinGlo skincare the fan page Instagram SkinGlo skincare or www.skingloskincare.co.za. Yes.
They might have seen that on another website. Like if your company doesn't have a website, if it just has a page, I don't know what's happening. So what is the goal here? SkinGlo. Okay, cool. This is the main glow. After 5 years, I want to see SkinGlo. A guy in the guy in the morning, someone was SkinGlo.
Ndiko unyango bana SkinGlo it at the top now 2 years.
In 2 years,
or less than that.
Less than that.
I better than we aim big. So less than a year or 2 years, ndiko unyango divona ndika the top shelves. Ndodzira tsini navo Porsche mabala navo L'Oreal navo Garnier. Yes. And then 5 years ndiko nyango divona ndina feme kana company khulu ine ya dova ichikuita SkinGlo rodo dzola ndile vasa ndodzula nthapalani, yes.
So yeah, if they say you must dream big, we aim for the stars. So when you fall, you must fall somewhere on the sky there. You must get something.
Yeah, man.
So what can you say to your clients or to people who want to try your products before we leave or before we stop the interview?
Yes, nina ngama pezi ndizore dana ni support nina ke ni phenyelele ni glow yeah. SkinGlo chodo chincha machira abantu if confidence yo vaya raybuisa zawudinga mandesa yes, so just holla.
And what can you advise to people who are there, not even trying to do something with their life, but just sitting there with guys, go do this and do this and do this? It's simple.
But I can tell you guys is that don't feel discouraged, don't be discouraged. Nisongo dinyaza. Yes, nisongo dinyaza. Una mngomutu oswika na ininga uswika, so believe in yourself.
Okay. So guys, you hear it, ne? SkinGlo is one of the products in the Thohoyandou Venda, and it's one of the most, it's number one. I think it's top number one right now because the products from here at home which is selling the most and which is doing the most, which is being found now, like hotels also, ne? Boutiques and all those. So guys, if you wanna get products there, I'm gonna put down the numbers there. Get the products, use them. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you think. Get it on Facebook, get it on Instagram, get it on WhatsApp. I think she has a WhatsApp page also, and also she has a website, guys. Go on the website, order if it's possible, order in bulk and start selling it like the way you're selling Herbalife. I'm telling you, like for all those people who are not doing anything, guys, I'm like, it's possible. Buy her product, start selling her products with markup prices. It's something else, you understand? It's something that you can get from a daily basis, even when you buy so guys, from me, like Enterpreneur and from Prackie, thank you for coming today. Oh, thank you for being here in the video of you.
Thank you. SABC5. Yeah, Venda.
I just hope you enjoyed the interview.
I did.
So, bye-bye, guys.
Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We love you guys. Bye.